This is our last night staying in Tokyo, Japan. So tomorrow we have a late night flight back to New York. So we stay in this room just tonight. However, we booked this room for 2 nights. So that way tomorrow we can stay in this room all the way into the evening without having to check out early. So that's a pro tip for you. If you have a flight in the evening and you want to kind of like don't be too rushed to go to the airport and you still want to relax a little bit, just book your room like 2 nights. Yeah, so this room is called this hotel is called Hotel Sunroute Ginza. This is the entrance right here. Very, very cramped. Look at this. Bathroom door opens right next to the entrance. And then for the bathroom, you have a... Wow, this bathtub is enormous. Enormous bathtub. And actually, the bathroom is very clean. I quite like this bathroom. It's very, very clean bathroom. You got everything you need. You got hair dryer, you got toothbrush, you got cups, you got hand soap, shampoo, conditioner, body soap, right? They just got that one little thing right here. The bathroom is much bigger than... There's a lot of other bathrooms in Tokyo that is smaller than this bathroom. And this bathroom is pretty comfortable. You get 2 beds. You got a bath, you got pajamas there. Put it in luggage here would be a very bad idea. The only place you have to put luggage is over here in this section. So if you push this table away a little bit, you see, actually we have 2 more check-in luggage that's not with us in this room. We actually shipped it to the airport. So that way we don't have to like carry 2 extra huge luggage around. Okay, let's see what they have for, for the mini bar. You got hot water machine. Great, perfect. They got black tea. Got 2 packs of drip coffee. Not bad. Wow. And very nice. They got a mini fridge. All right. No water. That's a little bit disappointing. This room is about $120 a night. It's a great bargain. I don't know how many people you can fit in this room. I think this room is too small for 4 people, but for two adults and a kid is fine. Maybe 2 adults and 2 kids is maximum. If you wanted to have 4 adults, you're probably gonna need a bigger room, or I'll get 2 rooms. This is a very good hotel location to stay at if you're like a tourist or you like shopping. This is a great place. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you later. Alright guys, that's all for the room tour of the hotel in Ginza. The rest of the video is about our one last day before flying back home. Alright, we're here at our last dinner in Tokyo. Supposedly this place is one of the best in Ginza. You gotta make reservations here, otherwise you can't eat here. So a specialty here, crab salad. I never ate anything like this. It's good, but it's so salty, right? No, it's like tuna fish, but it's like so salty. It's like they just poured like a ton of salt over it. All right, guys, so the first half of our meal has arrived. We ordered 2 sets of this. So 1 set of this is $58.30. And you see that sashimi right here? That's a sashimi right here. It's one plate, but there's 2 portions. Let's try the tuna. It's very fresh. The sushi here is very good. But you can see here, this is salmon. What is this? I think this is yellowtail or something, but it's good stuff. Oh, I didn't try this one. Scallop, right? Yeah, it's good sushi. I like it. But it gets kind of boring because the taste is like when the fish is too fresh, it doesn't really have taste. It's just a very translucent taste. You know what makes sushi good? The rice. If you eat if you eat sashimi like this, if you eat it with no soy sauce, it has no taste. Anyway, let me finish this and then I want to wait for the sushi because I'm a sushi guy. Tastes like Toriton. Yeah. Tastes like Toriton. You?
The next one, thank you.
Thank you.
What did they do?
This is not you. This is, I don't know.
This is not you.
Yeah, this is not you.
But it's good. Yes, good place. Yes, good. My favorite place in the whole wide world. Finally here to get my melon soda.
Daddy, I can open by myself.
You gotta open by yourself?
Okay, good job. Iris.
Daddy, can I eat? I want to eat this one, or do I want to eat this one, and I can eat this
She is making a deal with you.
Okay.
Okay, show Daddy how you do it.
so amazing.
Oh, until next time. Hopefully I can get it one more time at the airport. Oh, and the coffee, the house blend. The house blend is, oh, the best. Even better than Starbucks. Da, 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 da. This one I gotta get. This one.
I want to get the rice, please.
Okay, we get rice for you.
Rice and pickles.
Okay,
eggs.
char rice.
I want pickled eggs, rice, citrus. Give me all of it.
We already have one citrus.
Give me more.
Okay.
Mommy, I want rice or noodles. I want rice or noodles.
My ankle, man.
Okay. Are you ready to eat? What's that? Seaweed. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy noodles.
That's our rice here.
Look at the broth. This is the dipping broth. Ooh. You guys know what this is? This is luggage elevators. They basically have like over 10 of them. You tag your luggage by yourself, and then it will bring the luggage here, and then it drops down to the elevator. I mean, some people might complain, oh, I don't want to do it myself, but when you do it yourself, you actually don't have to wait online too long. See, they go through here right here. You tag your own luggage, and then it goes in there, it drops down. And I don't know, you guys can see over there, that's baggage delivery. Right there. Baggage delivery. And you know how much it costs? It costs like 30 bucks. It costs like 20 bucks to have your luggage, one piece, delivered from basically your hotel, going to whatever airport you want. 20 bucks. So that's it for the Japan trip, guys. Today we are flying back at 11 p.m. So I see you in the next episode.